咁另外咧，tenant shall execute and return the tenant estoppel certificate delivered to tenant by landlord。landlord 咧，如果佢要買屋，佢咧就要話聲俾個 tenant 知，就係呢張叫做 tenant estoppel certificate 啦。tenant shall execute and return the tenant estoppel certificate。你係租客咧，唔該你收到業主嗰張紙嘅時候，話業主打算買屋咧，唔該你俾翻個業主。estoppel certificate 咧，其實就係呢張嘢嚟㗎啦，好多人都聽唔明啊。嗱，你睇埋最尾 ，may be relied upon by landlord and purchaser。deliver to tenant by landlord within 3 days after its receipt。嗱，我係 landlord，我係屋主，